Welcome back to the channel. Mobula 6 micro FPV whoop. Very quick review because it's a very small product. Look, I'm not going to unbox it, but I will take it out of the box. I've already been flying this a lot and I love it. It is just a brilliant little piece of kit. I know it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Spring will soon be there, but then you get the equinoctial wind. So always looking for something to fly inside, and this is just such a whole lot of value in a little package. It is a fully capable aero racing tiny whoop. Indestructible by my own hands. I've tried very hard, trust me. And the most that happens is the props sometimes fly off, but you get spare props in the box, although I seem to have put mine somewhere else at the moment. Comes with 4 batteries. 4 batteries! Do you know how much that would cost for a 5-inch mini quad? A lot of money, but you get 4 in the box for free. They're just a little 180, is it? I don't know, because I put stickers on them, because one of the things I found that wasn't quite so good was they're not a tight fit in this thing, so they tend to slide out. So I put stickers on so they sort of latch in there. So you could do that too, just I could use RunCam stickers. Why not? I've got them. Everyone loves stickers. Standard little connector there. Comes with a charger as well. Where is it? Oh, here it is. USB charger, see that? Piece of cake. Plug that in USB, plug the battery in there. You know, that batteries charge pretty quickly. They don't last that long. I get about 3 minutes out of it, but hey, inside that's plenty of time. And these are a Doddle To Set Up. They just got the standard micro USB connector in there, see by my thumb. Plug them into your laptop, running beta flight, just tweak the center points. There are plenty of videos showing you how to do that. I'm not going to educate you on this one. But yeah, value for money proposition, excellent, excellent. Downsides, as I say, batteries tend to slide out unless you put sticks on them. And this one's got a bit of jello. In fact, this one, when I got it, worked okay, and then one of the motors stopped. Ooh, what's going on? So with my crappy little Parkinson's hands, I had to take out these little screws, undo the circuit, pull the motor apart, and there was a tiny bit of metal in there. And I think it's because I flew it outside and I landed it on a part of the airfield where there's been a lot of angle grinding going on. So lots of metal flecks. One of them must have got sucked up into the magnets and it jammed the motor. But I cleaned it out. Still flies. In fact, flies better now since I did that. So who knows? Yeah, brilliant. What can I say? That's the box. Comes bind and fly, FrSky or FlySky, I think. And as you saw in a previous video, I made it fly with the Tango 2. Yoo-hoo, with my little repeater thing. So yeah, you could, if you wanted, to do the same thing, but most people just fly it with your standard radio transmitter. Inside, it is a blast. If you sort of get depressed like I do when you can't fly in the middle of winter, gotta have this. It is just fantastic. It's so light. It's only 28 grams or something stupid. Silly light. So yeah, if you want to see videos of this flying, go and check out my Tango 2 review, or not review, but the repeater station I set up for the Tango 2. You'll see me flying it outside. It's got plenty. It's aerobatic. It's, you know, it's just fantastic. 1S, so you know it's totally manageable inside. And yeah, so there you go. Link in the description. Not an affiliate link. No, this is one that Banggood gave me to use, so they can track if you click on the link. And if you do click on the link, you go to the Banggood product page. It'll tell you more. I think if you order now, maybe a few weeks away, because as we know, the thing that we can't mention for fear of being demonetized has still not been resolved in China, and that's slowing production and shipping and all sorts of things. But hey, if you order now, then you'll be first in the queue when they start shipping again. And as I say, yeah, I love it. And I see other reviewers love it too. So not just me, it's other people. Go and look at other reviews. But when you've been there, or go and click on the link in this description first, so that they can see that it's worth sending me stuff to review. And then look at other reviews if you like, but I'd say get one. Even though it's coming around to spring in the Northern Hemisphere, it's a long time to go before you get those lovely fine calm days of summer. So you'll need something. Can't do much better than this. The camera's actually pretty damn good in that too, I've got to say. Pretty damn good for a little cheapie. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.